This is the DuPage County Zoning Board of Appeals monthly recommendation meeting for May 2nd, 2024. I'll note that there are no members of the board present except myself. And may I ask the staff whether there's been a request for public comment? No public comment. There are no minutes. Well, there are minutes to be approved, but there aren't sufficient number of members here to approve the minutes, so we'll delay that. And then I have, I'll open the recommendation hearing on two cases. The first is 2402, the Pinnacle at Myers case. There has been a request to defer that case for 90 days. That would take us to our August 1st recommendation meeting. And that meeting will be held in this room at 5:30. So I will declare that Pinnacle at Myers has been deferred till August 1 at 5:30 in this room. Second case that we have before us is the Cermak Builders case, which is 2406. That's a Naperville case, and that matter has been republished and will be heard on. There will be a public hearing on that case on May 9, 2024, at the beginning at 6 o'clock. With respect to the recommendation of the matter that we've already heard, just for the sake of to take particular care, I'm going to set that matter for consideration on 6/6 at 5:30 in room 3500B. So I'll now indicate that there's no old business or new business to be considered. And I don't know if you guys have a clue about what's going on or what just happened or whatever, but I'm going to close this hearing, but we'll stay for just a bit in order to, well, you want to make questions, want to ask questions on the record? Or if you have just procedural questions, I'm not able to answer any substantive questions about any cases. By that, I mean, anything dealing with the merits of the case, but with respect to procedure, I might be able to answer some things, or we can go off the record and I will refer you to our staff. So does anybody have any questions? Yes, what's your name?
My name is Roth, and I work for Luther and Westminster.
Your name is Roth, R-O-T-H?
Yeah.
And you live on Luther?
Yeah, 14167.
Okay. Did you get that?
Yes, but if you could speak louder, please.
Okay, my concern for the Pinnacle one is that, they have a sound barrier on school before Main
I
Street.
can't answer I can't even take any testimony about the substance of the case. So I can tell you from what I know, the reason for such a long delay is that this matter may possibly be withdrawn because the property may annex and take it outside the jurisdiction of the county because it will no longer be an unincorporated area.
Maybe Lombard.
Pardon me?
Lombard, the only thing.
I guess, I don't know.
So can you talk about how that can happen? That you've taken from
The annexation process?
yeah.
Yeah,
We want to just go over it. Because this is outside of public comment. We can talk to the law.
no, it's not public, they're asking about these cases. But,
I'm comfortable going either way. Whatever.
I don't.
all right, well, you know what, so that I don't go too far, I mean, I can't really
You can't
do
do
any.
a whole lot in
I
better.
can't do any harm here because it's no longer gonna be, if it's annexed, it's no longer be within the jurisdiction of the county. But just again, to be safe, I'm gonna close the hearing, refer you to the staff. And go from there. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna go home and.
Oh,
dinner.
oh, oh.